Well, hello everybody, and welcome back. It's Jenny. Yeah, aka Crazy Country Couponer. You know that person that brings you a deal every day, tells you how to save hundreds of dollars every year at Dollar General on things that you actually use, not things that you put on your shelf. Yeah, that's me. Come on in and like and share the video. Please interact. And if you're new here, welcome. You've come just in time for some drama. Yes, we normally don't do drama here. And it's been a long, long time since I've had to address a nasty commenter. Ah, yes. And if you're curious, I know you want to know too, so hang out. And go ahead and subscribe. Like I said, I'm the person that brings you a deal every day on things that you use all the time. And I try to think out of the box. And if you need deals for something, all you got to do is put it in the comment box. So here's the rest of the spiel. Please and thank you. Okay? This is the rest of my spiel. And those of you who follow me, you know I say this spiel every time. And it's because YouTube asked me to say this spiel somewhere in my video, and I put it at the beginning. So, I say it every single time I open my video. Leave a comment. It's what YouTube likes to see. Like and share the video. Let the video play all the way to the end, including those ads, please. Love y'all bunches for doing all of that. It's so, so simple. It's just as simple as if you don't have anything good to say, that you don't say anything at all. You know, did your mama not teach you that? Evidently not. Okay, now, time for my rant. For those of you who are my friends, I love you bunches. For those of you who hit that thanks button and give me that few dollars, I love you bunches. Thank you, thank you. God blesses you. I bless you out of my mouth. Okay? Now, recently, some folks have been doing the thank you button. I appreciate and love them for it. Recently, I got a video from YouTube that says I need to be asking or letting people know about the thank you button. Okay? So, I started dropping it in my videos. Now, every day I come on the video with a deal, I'm begging you, yeah, to me, to do those three things, and they cost you absolutely nothing. Okay? And I guarantee you this person that made this comment hasn't even contributed. Hasn't given a thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, shared, nothing. But because I made the comment that you could donate if you would like to, they made this comment to me, that I am begging now for money. No, I'm not begging for money, no more than a waitress is begging for a tip. I'm just letting you know there's another avenue there for you to help out the channel, if you were so inclined. Okay? Just like if I offered you merchandise below. If you were so inclined, I wouldn't be begging then, because I'm giving you something for your money. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I'm giving you something every single time I come on here, because you're my friends and I love you bunches. And for those of you who interact, you're giving me something back. But for those of you who don't interact and don't do anything, well, you're getting something for nothing. But do you hear me complain or say anything about it? No, because I welcome you. I love you. I'm glad you stopped by. Okay? Even if you didn't stay long, I'm glad you stopped by. But when you want to come by my house, because this is what this is, my house, and make nasty comments like this one right here, then you don't have to come. You don't have to take advantage of anything that I've got to offer. Okay? Straight up. Or any other creator for that matter, I'm sure. Because you just showing up and taking advantage of what's offered and then having nothing nice to say about it in any way, you don't need to be here. Because we don't do that. I thought I'd nip that in the bud. Like I said, I haven't had to address something like this for 3 years. And I don't want to have to address it again. If you don't like what's being said on this channel, there's a doorway. It's called click out. But don't leave a nasty comment to ruin my day or anybody else's day. So, thank you for stopping by. I love you bunches. And yes, I did leave a comment for her that said a little bit more than this. But after I thought about it, I was like, you know what? Everybody needs to know about this. So, yes, there is a thank you button up above where you make the comments. If you are so inclined, you can click on that and leave me 50 cents. You can leave me $1. You can leave me $2. Okay? That's what it's there for. If you are so inclined to do so. I would love you bunches if you did. Because it would help me with the gas getting back and forth to the store. It would help me when I buy things that I don't need because the deal is good or I just need to check it out. It would help me. So, yes, please and thank you. It would be so appreciated. But I'm not begging for it. I'm providing you a service. If you want to tip me for that service, that's great. My wonderful friends. So, and if those of you who've been with me long enough, you know it takes a lot to rile me up. Well, I is riled. Now, to that end, let's talk about a deal. I need a deal to make me feel better. So, let's look at our sales paper and find a deal. We've not talked about the Purex deal this time, but it's only given us $3 off of a $15 purchase. However, altogether, we can get $7 off. We can do we can do a snuggle, you can do some alls. Let's pull together a deal real quick here with the snuggle, any day deal. But since your store coupon is only $3, this would be easy to throw into a scenario for Saturday as well. Okay, on the for sale deal, I mean, we've got the Purex for, it's $10. Now, if you're going to do the $10 or these two right here, the Purex and the Snuggle, okay, you're looking at $18. And then coming off is going to be $7. So $9 out of pocket for the Purex and the Snuggle. Okay? That's any day of the week. But if you're doing something like that, I would do that on Saturday and add some Airwick and maybe some Febreze. You know, some small stuff to it to bring it down even more. And we'll show you a scenario with that. Now, this is your any day. There's a couple of these any day things. For sale, you got $2 off. And the Snuggle Crystals that are $6, you got a $2 earn. Altogether, your final pocket's going to be $8.95 for this deal. And this is my deal right here because, you know, I want my for sale. And then we got an all. Free and clear in case you got baby clothes and that kind of stuff or allergies. You're going to pick up the $12 all, the $4.50 Snuggle. And then you're going to earn 75 cents for that. Now, if you don't get the $4.50 Snuggle because you do have allergies, pick up another $5 all. Okay, your out-of-pocket's going to be a little bit more, but you have a $1 earn on the $5 bottle of all. So if you don't need anything fragrance-wise, you need all free and clear, that's your ticket right there. Outcome will be about the same, okay? few cents difference. So this one, you're looking at $16.50. You got $6.75 all total coming off, but they're all earns except for your $3 coupon. So you would be getting back $3.75 in earns. And your final out-of-pocket would be $9.75 for these two items. Now that's a pretty good deal right there. Winner, chicken dinner. Both of these are good deals. Under the cost of what the highest priced item is. Okay, 2 items. That makes it a winner, chicken dinner deal right there. And like I said, these are any day of the week deals. You can go right now. But let's look at a Saturday scenario. Okay, your 5 off 25 scenario for Saturday using this deal. The Snuggle for $8 has to be the Hibiscus because that's the only one that's paying you the $1.75 on your earns. Your All for $12, you're going to earn 3. You got a store coupon there. Your Snuggle dryer sheets for $2.15, you got a 50-cent earn there. Your Airwick for $4, you've got a $4 off there, and your Windex phone for $3.50. You're at $29.65. Now, if you can't find the Windex phone, pick up a Glade Air or a Febreze. Both of those will cover that spot. You're at $29.65 here. You got $18.75 coming off, leaving you a final out-of-pocket of $10.90, which is an absolute winner, chicken dinner, because that's cheaper than the biggest item that you have on there, which is your All detergent. So it's like paying for your All and getting everything else absolutely free. And your total earns on this deal is $6.75, okay? Now, we got a bonus daily deal for you for staying and listening to me rant this morning. And again, I want to apologize for those of you who do the deeds and are really good friends and always have something nice to say. You're wonderful. I love you. Oh. Christina Cooper, where you at? I almost forgot. You out there? Give me a thumbs up. Not seen you lately. My bestest crazy friend. Okay? So give me a thumbs up if everything's going okay. Now, your bonus daily deal. We got a double dip on the game fireworks. And like I said, a lot of these things, particularly when it comes to the game stuff, I would do this during the week. That way you don't get any confusion in your deals, because there is a lot of game coupons that are store coupons. So a single double dip, sometimes is better than none. So you're going to pick up the $7.95 game fireworks. You've got a $2 store coupon and a $1.05 manufactured coupon that's attaching to that. And your out-of-pocket will be $4.90, and that is a winner, chicken dinner deal. Now, always scan your items to make sure everything is attaching. Okay? So, remember, heads up, clearance event is right around the corner. Be checking those stores, making notes, taking pictures, getting ready. There's a lot of really good stuff on the clearance event this time. So, blessings. And I'll see you again next video.